Now, how does Alexa help developers to deliver increased value to customers? Simply put, we help developers build the best experiences and grow healthy businesses, regardless of the device type, connectivity standard, or business model. We help developers connect with customers at scale through marketing and joint campaigns. The Works with Alexa program provides customers with increased confidence that they're buying devices from trusted brands that will seamlessly work with Alexa. And although we've been successful many times over in helping developers drive business growth, we know we can always do more. And that's why we're making it easier for developers to use our technology and improve the customer experience with seamless setup and control of Matter devices. And for those developers looking for a managed solution to build Matter devices, we will provide the option to easily add local Matter connectivity while also including managed cloud connections through our ACK SDK for Matter. Just as we strive to make it easier for customers to set up smart home devices, we're focused on making it simpler to create new, differentiated, ambient experiences by extending a variety of Alexa features to developers through our Alexa Ambient Home Dev Kit. We've been rapidly iterating, along with our partners and our peers, to support completion of the Matter certification program, a truly unprecedented technological undertaking. And while this is a huge milestone and a great first step, ensuring that we're delivering the best experience for our customers is our top consideration before releasing Matter to customers. We need to get it right, as customers have come to rely on their smart home. This is especially important when implementing a standard over more than 100 million devices, spanning 30 Echo and Aero device models, and impacting tens of millions of customers around the globe. And as an industry, we have the responsibility to maintain the trust of all those customers. So as we work backwards from the customer, we'll focus on delivering a high-quality customer experience, starting with Matter over Wi-Fi, spanning 17 Echo devices. We'll start with plugs, switches, and bulbs with setup over Android. And this will be followed early next year with Matter over Thread, more Echo and Aero devices, additional device types with setup over iOS. This approach allows us to begin rolling out Matter support for the most common device types and the most prevalent network in customers' homes, while we continue to work through interoperability, stability, and longevity testing with our partners, ensuring customers have a high-quality experience with Alexa. And to continue our ongoing efforts to raise the bar on quality and reliability of connected devices, today we are releasing the Works with Alexa certification requirements for Matter devices. The launch of Matter is an exciting step forward in increasing interoperability of smart home. And just as the shipping industry worked together to ensure these containers at Rotterdam can be processed with almost any port and modality in the world, we need to make sure that our customers across the globe can continue to rely on smart home that makes their lives easier, more sustainable, and offers them peace of mind.